Hello students! This will be the last topic that we will discuss for our programming review. Did you have fun while solving our programming challenges? Just like what I thought. Anyways, in today's video, we will talk about pointers. After this video, you are expected to be able to do the following. Know what is pointer, declare and initialize pointers, use call by reference. Let's get started. Pointers are variables whose values are memory addresses. Normally, a variable directly contains a specific value. A pointer, however, contains an address of a variable that contains a specific value. Let's say we declare an integer x and we assign its value to 5. This variable x has a memory location where data is being stored. This memory location is called an address. Let's assume that x address is equal to this value. Again, we have to keep in mind that we declare an integer called x. X is the variable name. We assign a value of 5 to variable x. And this variable has an address of this value. Now, let us declare a pointer. To declare a pointer, we must follow this format: data type, asterisk, and the variable name. And don't forget that semicolon. Okay, so let's say I want to declare a pointer variable called xPtr. The data type is integer. So why integer? One thing to note is when you declare a pointer variable, we should consider what is the data type of the variable this pointer want to point to. So since we want to point pointer xPtr to variable x and x is an integer variable, we have to declare pointer xPtr as integer. We can write int xPtr to declare our pointer variable. We now declare two variables, a variable x and a pointer variable xPtr. Let us initialize the value of xPtr. Let us point xPtr to variable x by writing this code: xPtr equal and sign plus x. The AND or address operator is a unary operator that returns the address of its operand. The statement xPtr equals and x assigns the address of the variable x to pointer variable xPtr. Variable xPtr is then said to point to variable x. If we are going to print the value of our pointer xPtr, we can simply write printf, the value of xPtr is modulo d, and we have to write the variable name of our pointer xPtr. The output for this will be the address of x. Printf, the value of x is modulo d, and we have to write variable x. The output will be 5. Printf, the address of x is modulo d, and we have to write the address sign and the variable name, which is and x. This will output the address of x. And lastly, we have printf, the address of xPtr is modulo d, and we have to write and sign plus xPtr. This will output the address of our pointer variable xPtr. Pointers can access the value of variable they are pointing to. In other words, we can access the value of x using our pointer xPtr. To do so, we use the asterisk or unary operator. Printf, the value of x is modulo d using pointer xPtr. And then we have to write the unary operator and the pointer variable name. This will output the value of x. The unary operator, commonly referred to as the indirection operator or dereferencing operator, this returns the value of the object to which its operand points. We can also change the value of x using pointer xPtr. So how? We can simply write asterisk xPtr equal to 10. In the next video, we will create a program using the example we discussed.